So nowadays, a lot of us are spending more time with our toddlers at home, and there is a lot of difficulty which we parents face, that how to indulge our child in a particular activity, how to decrease their screen time. So that is why I am here with 5 activities which my child love doing, and definitely your child will also love doing. So everybody knows that while playing only, our child learns a lot of things. So all these fancy words, that fine motor skills your child will develop, gross motor skills, sensory development, these all developments can definitely happen at our home with all the things available in our home. So I won't be using any fancy things. So guys, without wasting any time, let's get into the video. Taken a big cardboard box and made a circular shape of a size so that the ball can pass through it, and painted it all around with different colors, and then placed it on a bathtub. And I asked my child to sort the balls or put it in the tub by passing it from the identical colored circle, and he pretty much loved doing this activity, and I have done this activity with him multiple times, and this activity can be enjoyed by a child of 1.5 plus. Now in the second activity, I have taken an egg tray and colored the top of it, and taken wooden appetizer fork and colored it, and I asked my child to put the fork in the tray with the same color. This will improve the hand and eye coordination, and will surely improve the grip of your child when he is pushing the fork in the tray by using fingers. And you can also make variation in the activity by using a pom-pom balls. You can color the egg tray and ask your child to put the pom-pom balls in that. So there are a lot of variations to the activity, and this will surely take 15 to 20 minutes easily of your child. And once you start introducing this activity, I will suggest you to take half the tray and introduce one color at a time. Means don't color the egg tray more than once. If you are using a red color, then make red colors only one, so that it will be less confusing for your child to sort these colors. And please guide your child and stay with your child and keep an eye on your child, so that they don't put anything in their eyes or mouth. So in the third activity, I've taken a cardboard and pasted cones on it having different colors, and I asked my child to paste same color ice cream scoop on it. And I am putting basically the fevi stick on the back of the cone, so that he can easily paste it. And you can see the condition of the cardboard. Actually he had done this activity once more. So he teared the cardboard, and you can make this activity by using popsicles as well. And it will your child will basically relate it with the real world, as everybody enjoy the ice cream. And this is really fun activity. You should definitely introduce this in any manner. What you can do is you can also introduce the alphabets in this. So now the fourth activity is, I have made the circular patterns using different colors and pasted each one on the cardboard, and asked my child to identify and put the similar patterns on the pasted one. And matching it basically is very important for your child for improving the visual memory, and it develops problem solving skills. And matching also improves the fine motor skills of your child. So you should definitely introduce matching activities for your child. Now the fifth activity is, I have taken a thick sheet and I have drawn a squares of different color on it, and I asked my child to put the blocks of the same color on the square. And as I've already said that matching also improves the identification and recognition, which is very important for developing problem solving skills in the child. Guys, I hope you like this video and you get a lot of ideas from the activities which my child was doing. And I just want to say that your child may not be doing these activities because every child has their own preferences. So you don't get embarrassed if your child is not doing the activity which you have created. You can introduce these activities after a particular time slab. And secondly, the child will get involved in this activity for not more than 10 to 15 minutes, because that time is enough for a child to learn and explore the activity and get bored out of it. So please try to create more new activities for your child. And if you want me to do a particular activity, then please comment below. And if you like this video, please hit the like button and like, share and subscribe our channel for more such videos, and press the bell icon to get notifications. Thank you.